What's up, guys? So, recording off the GoPro. Shout out C George 12, you know who you are. Just walking around downtown. We're gonna check out this place. We're gonna try to get into that side. So, yeah, see what's up with that. It just rained all day. It's Memorial Day. It's downpouring all day, so we'll see what we can actually climb, though. Gotta be careful. But this is the Old Pabst Brewery, where PBR, Pabst, whatever was brewed, right here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Cool little history fact. We got Jackson's Pub right here that has actually been renovated into a bar inside of half the brewery. And not sure what's in this side, but I think we're gonna find out. Send it here. So we made it in. Wasn't that bad. Damn. This is dope. What's going on, guys? So I'm here with Aaron. We're going over the footage of the climb and video we're coming out with. And we
heard a voice.
We heard a voice. And listen as we walk through the door.
And it wasn't us. And it wasn't us. And there's no way that it could have been Kevin under his breath. As you see in like the video, I'm like I would have heard him.
And it's Memorial Day. It's Monday. No one's working.
No one's in the site. No one's in the site. It's just us two. So, yeah, check it out.
Watch the floor. This is it. I am all full of fucking mud.
Cook up a hot pocket real quick. Those are like the whole distilleries up in there.
That's cool.
That'd be a dope ass shot.
Oh, this drops. There's no ledge. Dude, don't fuck with that. No, that's wet, man. Don't do that. You're stupid. You're stupid, man. Don't do that. It's a dope shot. Fire. You're good. Fucking killer, bro. Yeah, hell yeah. Fuck, just broke. Yo, look at these stairs. Check this out. I don't know what the siren's on. They just turned them off. Aaron. Yo. Huh? Dude, I'm trying to figure out what those sirens are. They're coming from everywhere. And they just turned them off. I think you should get down from there at least. I'm trying to see if there's like, they're coming up. That's for us. They all just stop. All the sirens just stop. Usually they turn them off when they get close.
See anything?
Huh?
Did you see anything?
No, but they got louder and louder, and it sounded like they got closer. And then they stopped. So I said we get off the roof, chill for a little bit, look out like a window and see.
Yeah, not a bad idea. How the fuck we get down?
Huh?
How the fuck we get down? No. Well, oh, right over here. I'm in here. Sketchy. Yo.
No.
There's no one down there.
No? Okay. It was just sketching me out.
Yeah, well, let's go for a minute. Oh, this takes us all the way up, dude. Yo, we're super good, man.
So, we don't think those cops were for us. Probably would have found us by now. Just hung out, looked out the windows. I don't think it's for us. Let's go.
Okay, we're trying to go back up that ladder?
Yeah, you are. I don't want to push you, man. I feel bad for making, but it's a dope shot.
Oh yeah. Send it. Send it. Send it. Send it. Send it. Let's send it, boys. Send it. We're up here. You know what the vibes are. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna get a picture in front of the crane now. That'd be pretty cool. So I just put the camera away to come back down because this ladder's really slippery and not really held on well. Hey, you're splashing me. Oh. Alright. What other building? Ah, dude, that's like right in the open, man. Can we just talk about that? That's like actually in service, bro. Like that's not like another warehouse or empty construction.
Yeah, but no one's up there.
Watch the step. Yeah, I saw that too. It's over there somewhere. And now we lost him. Oh, there he is. Right there. So we're heading down the stairs. Took a different way out, or a different way down. We got another level. So going down. Is there a basement? Huh? Hop over? I'm gonna hop right here. Is it good? Yeah. Come on, boy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Hey. We did it. We did it. We made it out. Made it in, made it out.
Hey, I gotta go wash my hands.
Didn't get caught. You cut yourself? Ooh, fuck. It's all fun and games till someone gets a fucking boo-boo. A fucking paper cut.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.